Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share some benefits and uses of turmeric. If you want to know, then please watch my full video. Turmeric is a flowering plant. It requires temperature between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius and a considerable amount of annual rainfall to thrive. Plants are gathered each year, some for propagation in the following season and some for consumption. It is also used as fresh or boiled in water and dried, after which they are ground into a deep orange yellow powder commonly used as a coloring and flavoring agent in many Asian food, especially for curries, as well as for dyeing. Turmeric powder has a warm, bitter, black pepper-like flavor. Although long used in Ayurvedic medicine, where it is also known as Haridra, there is no high-quality clinical evidence for using turmeric or its constituent to treat any disease according to the US Food and Drug Administration. The greatest diversity of turmeric spices by number alone is in India at around 40 to 45 spices. Thailand has a comparable 30 to 40 spices. In other countries in tropical Asia also have numerous wild spices of turmeric. Various spices currently utilized and sold as turmeric in other parts of Asia have been shown to belong to several physical similar taxa with overlapping local names. Turmeric has been used in Asia for thousands of years and is a major part of Ayurveda, Siddha medicine's traditional Chinese medicine. From India, it spread to Southeast Asia along with Hinduism and Buddhism, as the yellow dye is used to color the robes of monks and priests. In particular, never came into contact with India, but used turmeric widely for both food and dye. Thus, independence domestications events are also likely. In medieval Europe, turmeric was called Indian saffron. In East Asia, the flowering time is usually in August. Turmeric may be used in most effective nutritional supplement in existence. Many high-quality studies shows that it has major benefits for your body and brain. So here are some 7 evidence-based health benefits of turmeric. First, turmeric contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. Turmeric is the spice that gives curry its yellow color. It has been used in India for thousands of years as a spice and medicinal herb. Second, turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Inflammation is incredibly important. It helps your body fight with immunity and also has a role in repairing damage. Without inflammation, bacteria could easily take over your body and kill you. Third, turmeric dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. Damage is believed to be one of the mechanisms behind again and many diseases. It involves free radicals, highly reactive molecules with unpaired electrons. Fourth, turmeric boosts brain-derived factor linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain disease. Back in the day, it was believed that the neurons weren't able to divide and multiply after early childhood. Fifth, turmeric should lower your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death in the world. Researchers have studied it for many decades and learned a lot about why it happens. Heart disease is incredibly complicated and various things contribute to it. Turmeric may help reverse many steps in the heart disease process. 6. Turmeric can help prevent cancer. Cancer is a terrible disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. There are many different forms of cancer which still have several things in common. Some of them appear to be affected by turmeric supplements. It has beneficial herb in cancer treatment and been found to affect cancer growth, development and spread the molecular level. Last but not the least, 7th, arthritis patients respond very well to turmeric supplements. Arthritis is a common problem in Western countries. There are several different types, most of which involve inflammation in the joints. Given that turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory compound, it makes sense that it may help with arthritis. So these are some benefits of turmeric. Now going toward the uses of the turmerics. Turmeric is one of the key ingredients in many Asian dishes, imparting a mustard-like slightly bitter flavor to food. It is used mostly in savory dishes, but also used in some sweet dishes, such as the cake. In India, turmeric leaf is used to prepare special sweet dishes by layering rice flour and coconut jaggery mixture on the leaf, then closing and steaming it in a special utensils. Most turmeric is used in the form of powder to impart a golden yellow color. It is used in many products such as beverages, baked products, dairy products, ice cream, yogurt, yellow cakes, orange juice, biscuits, popcorn color, sauces and gelatin. It is a principal ingredient in curry powders. Although typically used in its dried powder form, turmeric also is used fresh like ginger. It has numerous uses in East Asian recipes, such as a pickle that contains large chunks of fresh soft turmeric. Turmeric is used widely as a spice in Southern Asia and Middle Eastern cooking. Various recipes begin with onions caramelized in oil and turmeric. In South Africa, turmeric is used to give boiled white rice a golden color, known as yellow rice. In the Philippines, turmeric is used in the preparation and cooking. In Thailand, fresh turmeric are used widely in many dishes, in particular the southern dishes such as yellow curry and turmeric soup. Turmeric is used in a hot drink called turmeric latte or golden milk that is made with milk, frequently coconut milk. The turmeric milk drink known as haldi doodh in Southern Asian recipe. Turmeric is used to give a yellow color to some prepared mustards and other foods, often as a much cheaper replacement for saffron. So these are the uses of turmeric and the benefits of turmeric. If you like my video, then please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.